The ability to generate leads, engage with potential customers, and convert them into returning clients is the foundation of effective online marketing. OptimizePress is a powerful WordPress plugin built primarily for marketers and online business owners looking to create visually appealing and conversion-focused websites and landing pages. With its intuitive drag-and-drop interface and extensive array of customization options, OptimizePress enables users to create amazing landing pages, sales pages, product launch funnels, membership portals, and more without requiring any coding knowledge. You can build these marketing pages and sites using a live editor that shows you the changes you make to content in real time. To further customize your pages, OptimizePress lets you choose from their custom elements, from arrows, buttons, and feature boxes, to images, videos, audio players, testimonials, and Facebook comments. OptimizePress improves your lead generation and conversion rate by feeding personalized landing pages to your customers based on their previous click patterns, search behavior, and location. OptimizePress is more than just a landing page builder, it also makes payments easier. Once you have successfully converted a lead to a paying customer, you can seamlessly process your payment using different payment gateways of your choice through OptimizePress. Watch this video to the end, and you will discover the promised benefits and how to effectively use this tool to increase your customer management and conversion rate without much hassle. Kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button as we continue with this OptimizePress review. Also, make sure to check the description below for the best price, discounts, free tools, and free trial packages on OptimizePress. What does OptimizePress really do? OptimizePress is a revolutionary software for building websites and attaining more leads towards conversions. It is a WordPress tool for creating pages and channels that ultimately grow subscriber lists and drive more sales. OptimizePress is composed of all necessary components required for funnels and checkouts and upsell flows. OptimizePress provides an array of landing pages, including opt-in pages, lead magnet pages, thank you pages, waitlist pages, webinar registration pages, email confirmation pages, among others. The platform is also used by client brands to autopilot sales pages that sell products and services without direct manual handling. These pages attract traffic through several channels of advertising and thus act as virtual lead generators. OptimizePress Visual Funnel Builder makes it easy to design attractive sales funnels without any coding knowledge. The other major plugin is OptimizeCheckouts, which enables customers to order directly from the website. The membership plugin for OptimizePress also allows users to build online courses and membership sites with certain features. Benefits and key features of OptimizePress. Some of the benefits and unique features of OptimizePress includes 1. Ultra-flexible sales funnel and website building. With Optimize Builder, you have full control over the design and layout of your website. You can also create sales funnels and automate your marketing campaigns from the initial opt-in to the final purchase, resulting in increased conversions and revenue. 2. SEO for free Google traffic. OptimizePress incorporates search engine optimization, features that help your website rank higher on Google and attract free organic traffic. By leveraging these features and strategically placing compelling call-to-action buttons, you can maximize your conversion rates and generate more leads and sales. 3. Capture more leads with beautiful landing pages. OptimizePress visually appealing pages are designed to capture the attention of visitors and compel them to take action. By implementing your strategies and leveraging these conversion-optimized designs, you can significantly boost your lead flow and sales. 4. Sell products and accept payment. With OptimizeCheckouts, you can accept credit card payments directly on your site or integrate with Stripe and PayPal to streamline on-site checkout. You can also add upsells and order bumps to your offers, increasing your average order value and maximizing your profits. 5. Seamless integration with WordPress. As a WordPress plugin, OptimizePress allows you to leverage the power of WordPress's robust content management system while enjoying the added functionalities and customization options provided by OptimizePress. 6. Responsive and mobile optimized designs. OptimizePress offers responsive and mobile optimized designs, ensuring that your website looks stunning and performs impeccably when viewed on any device. 7. Segmentation, personalization and autoresponders for customer management. With OptimizePress, you can segment and personalize your email list based on user behavior, increasing relevance and engagement. You can also set up a series of emails that automatically send based on predefined triggers, such as a new sign-up or a particular date. 8. Beautiful and secure membership portals. With OptimizePress, you can easily create secure members-only areas on your website, manage user access, and deliver valuable content to your subscribed members. This encourages repeat sales, word-of-mouth marketing, and loyal followers. 9. Analytics and reporting. OptimizePress lets you track the success of your email automation, giving insight into opens, clicks, and conversion rates. These can be used to refine your approach and make data-driven decisions for better results. OptimizePress pricing and plans. OptimizePress uses a pricing model based on monthly and annual contracts. The paid plans include the Builder-only, Suite Starter, and Suite Pro plans. If you pay annually and sign up using the link in the description below, you'll even get a discount and the benefit of unlimited traffic, leads, free hosting, lead notifications, mobile responsive templates, and standard integrations. Pros: drag and drop website and sales funnel building with Optimize Builder. SEO optimization features for free Google search traffic. Cutting-edge landing page builder to boost lead generation and conversion rates. Secure and customized course and membership portals with Optimize Mentor. Seamless payment processing with Stripe and PayPal integration. The checkout feature lets you sell products directly from your website. Real-time analytics and lead notifications to monitor your results and new subscribers. Excellent customer support and live chat from real humans. 100% money-back guarantee on all plans when you sign up with the link in the description below. Cons: no free trial offer, however, there is a 100% money-back guarantee on all plans when you sign up with the link in the description below. Conclusion: OptimizePress has empowered individuals and online business owners to craft high-quality, high-performing digital marketing assets that translate to actual business boosts. It remains the most appealing choice when it comes to marketers who seek an engaging and responsive online appearance. For the past 2 years, OptimizePress has revolutionized the way products are sold online and have become a household name in internet marketing. With OptimizePress, users can build marketing funnels, checkouts, and manage membership portals and blogs in WordPress without the limitations of other hosted platforms or paying the high monthly recurring fees for many different tools. In addition, OptimizePress can be used as both a theme and a plugin, so even if you're using another theme, you can install and utilize OptimizePress, and you can easily set up all of your squeeze pages with a few clicks. OptimizePress aims to streamline the process of turning website visitors into leads and paying customers by offering conversion-optimized structures and templates. You can check the link in the description below to sign up and get access to premium tools that will help improve your experience with OptimizePress. If you enjoy this OptimizePress review, kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button for future reviews.